Pinapalayas ng Pilipinas ang lahat ng barko ng China nang makikita nito. Kaya pala nag-deploy rin ang China ng warship sa loob ng West Philippine Sea to intervene o pigilan ang ginagawa ng Philippine Navy warship na pagtataboy sa Chinese ship na maaktuhan nito. BRP Miguel Malbar lang pala ang katapat nyo, China. Kusa din kayong lalayas. 1 week deployment na nga ang most armed warship ng Pilipinas. Mula sa mahigit 100 barko ng China down to 40 ships na lang. Lahat ng barkong madadaanan ng BRP Miguel Malbar pinagbabantahan. Panawagan ng Philippine Navy Commodore Roy Vincent Trinidad, may oras pa kayo para kusa kayong lumayas bago magdilim ang paningin namin.
The PLA Navy, the Chinese Coast Guard, and the Maritime Militia should leave the maritime zones of the Philippines. They are the foreign power interfering in the West Philippine Sea.
Galit ang China pag hinaharas sila, pero wala silang pake pag binobomba nila ng water cannon ng Philippine Coast Guard o BIFAR. Pagpalag ni Commodore Trinidad, ayaw pala nila ng nahaharas di kusa silang lumayas sa ating teritoryo sa West Philippine Sea. Leave our territory now.
They are the illegal presence in our maritime zones, and I would again like to mention that they should leave. The PLA Navy and the Chinese Coast Guard should leave our maritime zones.
Agresibo nga ang Philippine Navy, pero hindi daw ibig sabihin nito naghahamon tayo ng gulo. Pinaglalaban lang raw ng Pilipinas ang teritoryong sa atin naman talaga laban sa posibleng pagnanakaw o pananakop ng China dito.
Using our voice to fight, and we were using the law. And article ruling on clause is already ruled in our favor, and thus this right as our might has shown its power.
We are among the most freedom-loving and hospitable people in the world. I could only speak for the Filipino people, the Armed Forces of the Philippines, and the Philippine Navy. We do not look at any country as a threat unless this country would commence illegal, coercive, aggressive, and deceptive actions against us. Unless any country would start intruding into our maritime zones.
Wala ang US Navy sa West Philippine Sea ngayon dahil giyera to sa Middle East. Kaya sinisisi ng China ang Japan ngayon. Wala raw karapatan ang Japan makisali sa tensyon sa rehiyon. Bakit China? Ano ang pakiramdam ng walang kakampi? Sa gayon, wala pa rin daw pake ang AFP kung anumang sasabihin ng China. Basta ang misyon nila ay isa-isang palayasin ng lahat ng barko ng China sa buong West Philippine Sea.
Our Secretary of National Defense mentioned they have not received any support from any country of their actions in the West Philippine Sea. We will keep performing our mandate, not only us, but with support from other like-minded nations. And again, as the SND mentioned, we have received a lot of support from other countries for our stand in the West Philippine Sea.
Pasimple lang tong BRP Miguel Malbar, grabe. Kayo, anong masasabi nyo sa ginagawa ng Philippine Navy warship? I-komento sa baba ng salobin.